Tanya with Miss Doll 7 Creations, and today I got Happy Meal, of course, Diamond Art Club. I have been ordering, it seems like every day. I'm like, ooh, let me get that one. Oh, let me get that one. It's just, so I got one here. I know I got two more on the way. I think they're supposed to be here on the next couple of days. I'm like, where's my scissors? Here they are. So we're going to open up the box like we normally do. I love how they send it in these harder boxes. Now, this one, I think it is. Let me just open it first. Like I said, I've been ordering almost every day something. And I know y'all seen my post where I made Ruby. I'm like, yes! And I think after my next order, I'll be at Diamond. I'm like, oh my gosh. I got stuff in my cart, but I'm trying to wait to see if they have, if they release some, not release, but some more. Yeah, really? Well, actually, it is release, but all right. So we can see has the pink. Excuse me. Y'all know that pink means it's a round. Now I already have this one. But I got it from Auntie Allie. So I wanted the real one and not the stolen artwork. And my co-worker at work has already claimed the one I got on Auntie Allie. So y'all did see it. And I did want this one as well because of the glow in the dark. And I was like, oh, because the one I got did not come with glow in the dark. Alright, so let's put that away. Of course, we got the little plastic, the little small sticker. Our kit, normal kit. I show it every time. Drill pin, lots of baggies. Ooh, I got a placer in this one. I think this is my first placer, and it's a 4-placer. I love 4-placers now. It's perfect. So I'm definitely going to be using that one. Your little squishy, your 2 hearts, and your small clear boat. I'm loving the baggies. They put in a lot of baggies. I'm loving that. Oh, shoot. But anyway, my coworker, she hasn't done any paintings yet. So this will be a big one for her when she gets it. But I warned her it was going to be big. It is Sweet Tooth. Isn't she beautiful? Oh my gosh. And another thing, remember when I showed it from Auntie Allie, it wasn't as bright as this picture here. It was a darker, it was dark. Even though I would have did it. But when I saw this come available, I was like, oh, I'm getting it. Because it has the wonderful glow in the dark. That's what that means. That E907. The E is glow in the dark. So there are 33 colors. Awesome. I only have to do one box. Well, no, 33. That's still 2 boxes. It is Sweet Tooth. And it is a round with glow in the dark. It is a 56 by 76, which is 22 by 30 inches. She is so pretty. So let's get into this baby. I want to see it. So I will have to pack up the other one, which I might put in this. I don't know. I got plenty of boxes over there. So I can put it in that box. No, I don't want to give her the impression that it's diamond art. It's not really. A little fuzz. I love that Diamond Art Club has the here's the drills. Look at these colors. OMG. We're gonna get into those babies. Of course, the instructions, which has a code. Let me roll her back so we can get her flat. Wow. But anyway, as I was saying about the canvas, I love the fact that they have the on the sides, so it prevents from fraying. This right here, I love that they do that. That prevents the canvas from fraying. Here she is, guys. Oh my gosh. And she looks much bigger than on the Auntie Allie one. Oh yeah, she is much bigger. I'm not gonna pull that one back out. Y'all have to go and look at the video from Auntie Allie. I wish the second one that I got was available to purchase. So I'm gonna keep that one until I see if they do it. If they don't do it by the time I want to do it, then I'll do the one from Auntie Allie. But anyway, look how beautiful. I love her eyes, her big old eyes. Beautiful. And a crown. This crown is gorgeous. I absolutely love it. Let's keep going down. Look at her ring pop. I'm loving her her little bottle here. She's got some liquid in it. Her tattoos. This is so cute. These are some cute tattoos. I think this is a cupcake. She's got a little sucker right here. On this side, she's got some of those candy beads. Y'all remember those candy beads that wrap around your hand? It's got the circular candy. She's got 2 of those on. I think that is super cute. And then some more tattoos over here where she has ice cream cone with a cherry on top. Got a little piece of candy. And then in the background, all you see is these unbelievable bright colors. Look at this candy here. Gumballs. Here's that long candy stick that we've been seeing when you go to the fairs or to the candy store. Oh, I love these. These are some of my favorite ones. I forgot what you call these suckers. But when you bite into them, they're like chalky. They are so good. She is just too cute. Of course, you got the legend on this side and also at the top. She is a very nice size. Very nice size. Of course, let's look at the drill fill. You know we can never not do that. Pull her back and then she'll be hung up with the rest of them. Oh, look at that. You cannot beat that. She will be hung up there with the rest of them. I've decided that's how I was gonna do all of my canvases. Just hang them up once I open them instead of trying to put them back in boxes. Gotta keep them flat. So let's do this side and then we'll get to those drills, guys. She is so pretty. Oh, I'm gonna give you the information at the bottom too. So let me do that. Oh, did it just ripped? Okay. I thought I heard some ripping. But you know, this thing kind of teases you. Oh. Wait a minute. What is going on? It ripped, guys. Oh, foot. Okay. Oh, it's hanging all the way over. Okay, let's see if I can get her lined up so she's not exposed. There we go. No sticky is exposed. I don't know why I did that. Okay, we're going to get this down. And I'm going to show you at the bottom so y'all can see. There we go. Okay, well, what's the problem? It's always this corner. Maybe it's my angle when I'm doing it. There we go. All right. So this is what I wanted to show you right here. There we go. There's her thumbnail. It's by DAC, glow in the dark. It's a round. Name of it is Sweet Tooth. It is a 56 by 76 centimeter, 22 by 30 inches by Michael Jelena, Diamond Art Club. Beautiful. So let's tear into these beautiful drills. I'm dropping things on the floor, guys. Sorry. All right, I'm excited to get into these. And like I said, there are 33 with one glow in the dark. That is going to be amazing. Let's see. Of course, it's labeled. Dang it, Stitch. He opened the house door. I don't like the door just open like that. I don't know why he does that. Okay, so let's see how many trains we got. We have 2 trains. All right, big train, little train. Let's see what we got, guys. Beautiful colors. Let's see. This is 775, a baby blue. 992 is a mint, green, a teal green. 762 is a gray. 743 is an orangey yellow. Ooh, that's a pretty purple. 3837, that is beautiful purple. I love that purple. Ooh, look at this. I love the bright color. That's another thing that attracted me to this kit. 3843, look at that blue. That is so pretty with a little purple in there. 3607, y'all know I love pink. 3756, this is like a baby blue, very pale baby blue. Then we have 996, another teal. 995, wow, that's a big difference right there for one number. Then we got 310. Wait a minute, 310. Let's see how many 310s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'll be living that 310 life, guys. I got 7 310s. That's that black. Googly boo. But that's to be expected though with that one. And then there's the glow in the dark, guys. Look at that. I wish I could get it to glow for you guys. E907. But you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take it off of here. And I'm going to see if I can put it under the light for a little while. And then see if we can get it to glow. It is daytime here, so I don't know how good I'm going to be able to get it to glow. It is daytime. So I'm going to put this light. Let's see. Right up against it. Am I moving, y'all? I am. But that's okay. Let's move this one down. Give us a little bit more light while I got that light on it. Hopefully that will work. And then we'll see. Alright, so then the last ones on here is 3865. And this is a white. It's not pure white, but you can tell it is a white color. Hopefully I can get y'all to see just a little glow. Because you got to charge them up. I don't know how long it takes, but maybe we'll get a little bit. Might not be able to see it because of the, like I said, it's daytime. Alright, so then we get into the little bag. This is a very small bag. I probably won't even take these out of the packaging. That'll save me room in my, what you call it? I put it in one of those plastic bags instead of one of the cups. Y'all see which one that is, that red. $4.98. 740. It's another lime hot pink. Hot orange. Gray, $4.15. $8.23. That is a deep blue. $9.47. $9.17. Ooh, that's a pretty pink. Looks like a dark pink. $2.08 is a purple. $9.12, another green. $7.72. $3.40. $33.25, baby blue. $2.10, lavender. Let me see. I'm trying to see something. I didn't even notice. No, there are no ABs in this, guys, because it has the glow in the dark. That's probably why. 954 is another mint green. 741 orange. 3846. Ooh, I'm loving that. Look at that color. Oh, that teal is beautiful. I might get that in AB. 3608 pink. 913. 3333. That purple is pretty as well. And then another purple, 796. These two purples are beautiful. And of course, looking at the quality of the drills, Diamond Art Club Fashion, dang near perfect. Come on now. So those are that. Let me see. Oh, it's a little charged. But y'all ain't gonna be able to see it. These are a little charged. But it's not. Can y'all see it glowing? Look like it's glowing a little bit for y'all. Can y'all see that glow? I am going to love that. Look like y'all can see it. Yay! It's a little glow on that. Oh, that is amazing. Oh, I can't wait to get started on this one. It'll be a minute though, because y'all know I'm going to start on Chuck first. So this is going to be very, very interesting to get her done. But she's one of the front runners after I do a Chuck. Look at her again. She is so pretty. Very pretty. And these colors are going to be popping on here. And she's gonna look great in my craft house. Let's see where the glow in the dark goes. That's one thing I haven't showed you. That's the letter E on the legend. Oh, right here, here, here. Oh my goodness. Not the letter E, letter P. What am I talking about? All this green you see here, guys. All in her hair. This is glow in the dark. Let's see. Look at that drill field while we up here. Can y'all see that? I know y'all see those P's. Drill field perfect as always. But it's all throughout her hair in the crown. I'm loving that it's glow in the dark in her hair in the crown. Then we got some in her eyes. Oh my goodness. On her ear. Wow. I might put some ABs on here. I'm sorry guys. I'm pushing stuff through my thing on the other side. Definitely on her ring. Ooh, now this right here has just one finger. Her fingernail has the P glow in the dark here. I'll probably do all of them. I saw another girl say she had plenty left over. So I think I'm going to do that. Just make her nails glow in the dark. And then, oh my gosh, all of her bustier is glow in the dark. All this here, this green, glow in the dark. Got some glow in the dark here. I mean, it's just glow in the dark everywhere. Even in the gumballs. I'm going to love this. So when it's fully charged up and you hang it on your wall and you turn the light out at night, oh my gosh, this is going to be amazing. Amazing. So y'all let me know what you think. I'm glad this is the first part that I work on, because this piece right here is ripped, but it's not doing any sticky part out, so I should be good. So y'all let me know what you think, guys. I'll be giving away the one I got from Auntie Allie to a coworker. So please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, bye-bye.